Hi, it's Sheridan here from the Training Designers Club, and today I am doing it's a bit of a throwback day for me, I suppose, because I am back in very detailed training design mode. I don't do a huge amount of this anymore. I focus on running my community, but I do a bit, and it's important to keep your hand in, and it's important, of course, to have more than one string to your bow. But today I am updating a program that I wrote a good number of years ago. Every year we update it. We make sure that everything is relevant, all the links are still working, all the terms and phraseology are correct. But this year the client has had a big rebrand. So of course that means I have to rebrand all of the materials. I'm not going to lie, it's not the world's most exciting job, but it is a necessary job. So I'm just going to show you a quick tip, which you may know. If you don't know, it's really going to speed things up for you. And it's about using templates and in particular Slide Master. Obviously, I am having to redo all of the Word documents and the slides. So I'm just going to pop over and show you how I go about updating the slides in a fraction of a time that it would take ordinarily. Okay, so I've been working on this all morning anyway. So what I'm going to do, I've already got, this is a 3-part course. So what I'm going to do is, just for ease, I'm going to rename. It's very, very important to remember to rename things. So I'm going to save a copy of this and I'm going to call it part 4. So that's what it's going to be. So now it is labeled part 4. And what I'm going to do is, because I have the old version, I'm just going to pop over here because the first 2 slides are the same. It's always the header slide and the objectives. And I'm going to go up here and reuse slides. A little window opens up here on the left-hand side. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to browse for the old slides, which are in the 2004 folder. There we go. Choose content. So here are last year's slides. Importantly, I don't want to use the source formatting because the whole point is I'm putting them over to the new template. So I'm going to untick that and then I'm going to click Insert All. And now over here, I'll now close that down, you can see that everything has been copied over to the new template. And if anything was missed, now I just need to go and neaten it up, which is great. So for example, this, we just need to neaten that up because it doesn't quite fit in the new template. So one of the things, the important things that you need to do, if like here, for example, that one hasn't got the right header on it. So I go into View, Slide Master. This is the template, obviously, that has been used there for some reason. And what we're going to do is we're going to just paste that there. I don't know why that footer was there, so we're going to delete that as well. Close the Slide Master, and now you can see that that has been brought through, and it would be brought through to anything. However, with hindsight, that doesn't look particularly great, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of neatening up with it, but that's very easily done. I'm just going to move these things across so that they look better for the session. So that's going to be fine like that. So that's a really, really quick way. And now, obviously, because I have inserted into the previous course, now I just need to go through and delete all of the slides that are relating to the last course. So that's a really easy and quick way for you to update things. And if you're not already using that, that's going to save you hours.